espesyal po ang ating kadamustahan ngayong umaga, mga kada, dahil binisita tayo ng ilang miyembro mula sa sila na nga yung pinakasikat at hum-bam na dance group sa Pilipinas sa loob ng 2 dekada.
Correct ka dyan, Mama P. At para samahan tayo makipagkadamustahan, nandito na sila. Kasama na natin sila Jaja, Maika, Janelle, Saidi, and Loreline.
Loreline, mula sa G4.
Good morning!
Hello,
everybody!
Good morning,
good morning. Bati muna kayo sa mga kada.
Wait lang, can I just say, you guys are gorgeous.
Thank you po.
Oo, sobrang ganda nyo.
Lahat, ang gaganda.
Gorgeousness. Here sa Kada Umaga.
Thank you, Teacher Maika. Teacher Jaja, say hi first to your
Hello,
followers.
everybody. Hello.
Si Teacher Jaja po, ang anak na panganay ni Teacher Jercel, ang creative director ng G-Force at founder. Go ahead,
Yes,
Teacher
good
Loreline.
morning. I'm Teacher Loreline.
Sweet girl.
Hello, everyone. I'm Teacher Sadie. Hi. Hello po. Good morning. I'm Teacher Janelle.
Very sweet and
I'm not a teacher.
Minsan, yes.
Humahanga lang dito sa mga to, di ba? Napakadami talagang humahanga sa G-Force, di ba? Dahil napapanood kayo sa mga variety shows, nagtuturo kayo ng mga celebrities, at ngayon, celebrities na rin kayo in your own right. Pag-usapan muna natin, itong G-Force project na summer workshop sa darating na mga months. Can you tell us more about it? At sino-sino ba ang pwede mag-enroll dito?
Ayan, ito na.
Ito na.
It's our 20th anniversary. The 20th anniversary of G-Force.
Wow.
So this year is going to be very, very special for everyone. We have G-Force Project 2025, the biggest and the grandest summer dance workshop here in the Philippines. Yes. So this is gonna happen this May, June, and July. Okay. And we're gonna be having 4 batches. 4 batches. And the workshop will be happening at our 4 branches. So that includes
Quezon City,
BGC,
Shangri-La,
and Alabang.
Yeah!
So lahat po yan, lahat po ng branches namin, our workshop will be held there. Lahat ng information and all of the classes also that's available will be on our website, gforcedancecenter.com. And you can also call 0917-8-GForce.
And where is the dance concert?
The dance concert, oh my gosh.
Yes.
It's gonna be at SM MOA Arena.
Yes.
That's gonna happen on June 11 for batch 1 and 2. Yes. And for batch 3 and 4, it's gonna be at Theater at Soler.
Yon.
Yes.
So, sino-sino ba ang pwede mag-enroll dito? Pwede bang mga chikiting at pwede ring mga not so chikiting?
Feeling chikiting.
Isip chikiting.
You know, in G-Force naman po, we always say that dance is for all. So we teach, the youngest is what? 3.5 years old. So yun po, ang Little Force namin, we call them the Little Force. And ang pinaka-ano natin, ang youngest is 70. Yan ang mga
I think
sa atin. Yeah.
even older pa.
Older pa.
And they have experienced G-Force Project also performing
Performing.
in the on the big stage. So all ages. There is no limit.
Kayo po,
Nothing too
pwede.
young, nothing too old. So pati
love
po
it.
kayo, pwede po kayong sumali.
It's never too late to start po.
Iba yung feeling kapag meron ka na ng G-Force energy na tinatawag,
Oo
di
nga.
ba?
Bakit? Ano nga ba yun?
Ano bang meron
Paki-explain
sa
niya.
G-Force
Kasi
energy?
Parang pag dumaan sa inyo, naiiba. Nagkakaroon ng
Correct.
confidence, nagkakaroon ng kakaibang dating.
May pitik yung katawan, bigla.
Oo.
I feel like it's more than just dance din kasi. Siyempre, when we attend the workshop, hindi lang po yan sayaw. Siyempre, we learn other values, like discipline. Siyempre, you have to listen to your teacher. I mean, it's like school, but for dance. And we always tell our students na yun nga, it's more than just dance. We learn so much more camaraderie. We get to meet new
Resilience.
people, resilience. So, lahat yan. The Humbang
Teamwork,
G-Force.
no?
Yes.
Parang nung in-enroll ko yung anak ko sa kanila, pagbalik sa akin, marunong na pumose.
Iba na yung makapitik
Parang
eh, no?
gano'n na siya.
Kami
Parang
na-
kasama
Teacher
na po
Jercel
yun.
siya
Best friend
mag-posing,
niya si
ganyan na
Teacher
siya, oh.
G. Best friend ni Brookie si Teacher G.
Sama po yan sa workshop.
Kasama sa workshop
And
talaga.
even yung outfit nila, the students, pag nag-perform. And it's really nice to see yung mga bata din na, yun nga, parang si Brookie na, they build their confidence, yung personality din nila, if gusto nilang umarte ng ganyan-ganyan, you
Love
know, and yung also meeting new friends din.
Oo.
To
Tsaka
spend
nagkakaroon
time
ng stage presence, no? And we're not just talking about just any stage. This is like a world-class stage talaga na hindi sila nangangatog, hindi sila nervous. I guess, what do you think is the secret sauce there? Kasi,
I think for me, it's you bringing the kids all the time sa studio eh. Because us, we grew up with G-Force. So I think dun po na-build
Literally.
lahat. Like literally
grew
since
up.
birth. But all of them are also G-Force students and then now they're teachers.
Oo nga.
So, nag-attend din kayo before ng mga
kami po yung mga
workshops.
babies actually ng mga G-Force.
So, ilan na ba ang
Yes.
members ng G-Force ngayon?
It is a growing number.
ganyan ang sagot ni Teacher Mike.
love it!
2030.
But always growing.
Always growing.
Like, ako po, I am a product of G-Force Project.
Oo.
2011, I
Wow.
took the workshop, summer workshop. I was just one of the kids who wanted to dance. during
Ilang taon ka nun,
Oo.
Teacher Micah?
Oh my gosh!
Age reveal.
That was 2011. So, probably around, I think it was...
Don't compute.
Mahina po sa math.
14 years
No,
ago.
I was probably around 16 or 17 years old.
16 or 17
Yes, I was in
years.
college. I was in college then.
Eh si Teacher Jaja na lumaki sa studio, fetus?
Because I started din naman po na I didn't like dancing.
Oh, talaga?
Yes. So I'm in a family where everyone dances, but I didn't grow up wanting to dance.
Ano
But
yung gusto mo talaga, Teacher Jaja?
chef? Gusto ko nagluluto. Yes. And I wanted to take that for college, but then I was like, I want to take something that would, help the company and help my parents. So I took dance major. So growing up, I started actually, I think 7 years old. And then kami ng brother ko, si BJ. Kami yung first kids class ng G-Force Project. So 7 students kaming dalawa. Tapos 5 yung nag-enroll. Yun yung starting ng G-Force Project. And now, to be able to teach, it's really it's crazy. It's really crazy.
It's amazing.
Mas alam niyo yung feeling kasi nanggaling kayo doon
Yeah.
before, hindi ba? Parang nakakatuwa na ngayon, pinapasa nyo na sa next generation.
Ito
Ano yung
sila,
pakiramdam?
sila Teacher Laurelaine. How old ka nag-enroll in your first G4 summer workshop?
Last, 2023 po.
At
It's actually the
2023.
Newest
newest.
one.
Very fresh. The new, very
1 year
fresh.
pa lang po ako as a teacher. Before po, student pa lang po ako and I dream to become a G-Force.
And
Part
look
of
at you
the
now.
And look at her now.
Yes. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Teacher Jersol and Sir A. Wala po ako dito kung hindi dahil sa inyo.
Wow.
Ano yung what's the most rewarding thing pagka kayo na yung teacher tapos pinapanood kasi ang ginagawa nila, 'di ba, they teach the students and then on the day of the performance nandun lang sila sa harap. Ano yung pinaka-rewarding for you guys when you watch them?
For me, the most rewarding thing is that you're able to see what you've done, and then to see them perform it well, and for them to have confidence to do it is really the most rewarding thing. Because as a teacher, it's like your most proud moment. Because you did that, and then they were able to get it from you, and you were able to learn things from them, and they were able to learn things from you as well.
How early did you start dancing?
I started dancing when I was 4, but I stopped when I was 8.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I got back to dancing when I was 15.
Ayun.
She's my proud moment also because she's my student.
Wow!
She's my student. And then now she's a teacher. Yeah. She's very good with kids kasi. Kids, yeah.
nakita mo sa kanya, Teacher Jaja, kay Teacher Sadie?
Actually, she's very stylish kasi, this Sadie girlie I have.
Lahat naman kayo
Very stylish.
eh.
No, but, in a class kasi, you would really see kung sino yung, very confident, kung sino yung pumunta. And she has that kasi. And she started with beginners hip-hop class sa akin. And then I was like, beginners hip-hop, pero sobrang like, pwede na siya mag-advance. So I talked to her. And then it was her first time pala na dinala lang siya ng, she was, in pandemic, she wanted to take class na. And then after pandemic, dinala siya ng mommy niya sa akin. And then after that, I saw her and I was like, why don't you join hip-hop para advance, because it will challenge you more. And she's very into K-pop kasi, si Sadie. So ayan. And then, dun na, sobrang proud lang ako because, she's a teacher.
Proud teacher.
Oh my God.
Galing.
Diba? Ikaw naman, Teacher Janelle, ano naman nakakuha mo from teaching in G-Force? Were you also a student of one of
po,
them?
I'm one of the students also, and I started teaching at 2019.
Oo.
And then,
Pero student all throughout?
yes, I was a student
Since-
since 2014.
How old were you?
Oh my God. I was
Lahat din,
like,
confused.
Galing din po siyang kids class namin.
Kids class din si Teacher
Yes,
Janelle.
si Teacher
and then my
Janelle.
first teacher is Teacher Micah.
Oh, wow!
May connection.
Yes, it was K-pop class that time. Yeah.
Ano bang joy ang naibibigay sa'yo ng pagsasayaw na hindi mo na siya tinigilan?
Actually, the joy of just giving my emotions to dance. Because if you're happy, you just spread the love to dance. If you're sad, you can just move it out, and then you're gonna be happy again.
Yun yung expression
Yes.
mo.
Galing.
The outlet.
Yes po.
Eh tayo, anong outlet natin?
Yun din naman.
Nagsasayaw
It's
din
not
po
too
tayo.
late. So I think sasali
Hindi
na
talaga
tayo.
too late.
At least it's not too late. Pwede pa.
Kasi
Never too late.
Oo, marami akong napapanood na parang
Kaya
naku.
pa.
Kasi daigin tayo, girl.
Di ba
Hindi
sabi
naman tayo
nila,
mag-private
teacher, kapag
class.
medyo may parang mga 20s ka na, medyo mahirap na daw yan gumalaw. Pero, mali. Mali yun.
Pwede pala.
Mali yun. Yes, mali yun.
Kayang-kaya pa palambutin, kaya pa pakuluan.
Kayang-kaya pa. Kayang-kaya pa. Mag-class lang, mag-workshop lang kayo sa
Yun.
Ayun.
Ang kailangan.
Sagot.
Oo, pero bago tayo mag-workshop sa kanila, tayo muna
Kami
mag-workshop
muna
sa...
ang magpapa-challenge sa inyo.
Oh my.
Papahirapan muna namin.
We would have never had that chance. Kung hindi dahil dito.
Andito na eh. Bibigyan namin kayo ng hirap, di ba? Yan galing yun sa pagsasayaw. May hinanda kaming playtime. Nasusubok sa inyong dancing skills. At ito ay ang ating dance randomizer. Simple lang naman yung mechanics nitong game na to. Meron kayo iba't ibang chance ng bawat miyembro sa ating dance randomizer. Kung ano ang lumabas na scenario sa ating LED wall mamaya, ay siyang gagawin ninyo na dance routine. Ang simple lang, di ba? Halimbawa, punas. Ayan, gagawa nyo lang ng dance routine yan. Pero, dito, kailangan may dagdag, pahirap ng konti. May additional yan.
So, may
Bubunot
twist?
kayo sa ating bowl ng dance category. Mapa-jazz man yan, mapa-hip-hop man yan. At yun ang routine na gagawin nyo sa lalabas na LED wall dance routine. Okay, ang tanong, handa na ba kayo? Gina ba kayo?
Parang mas kinabahan sila dito sa game at kaysa sa performance kanina.
Kailangan natin ng bigger stage, kaya dito
Halika
na
na,
tayo
dito
sa
na tayo.
kabila. Ayan.
Okay.
You guys
Go
can
over
do
there.
that. Go Gen G.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream
As a Genji, we are here as a team, so we do this as a
tangkad
team.
natin, Lord. Sobrang tangkad natin
Oh my
talaga.
As a team ba?
Flat pa yung shoes po namin.
Forward tayo para tumangkat
O
tayo
sige,
konti.
dyan lang po kayo.
Okay.
Lalayo na very light. Ayan.
Alright.
As a team.
Alright.
As a team.
As a team.
As a Genji.
Okay, so ready na sila. Gina daw sila, kaya randomizer. Select. Okay, mataas ang sampayan dance move. Pero ang genre
Ito ang
ay...
twist. Sinong bubunot?
Go, Teacher Jaja.
Pinahirapan pa talaga natin. Dapat in this particular genre,
Ano
pag
ang genre?
pag abot ng sampayan.
Pakita natin sa ating kada squad. Ito ay...
Okay, wait. Mag-uusap
Ito
lang po
ay hip-hop.
Kaya nila.
Kaya niya.
Ay.
Oo, kaya nila yun.
Easy.
So, aabutin ng sampayan using hip-hop
Sobrang
moves.
taas yung sampayan po. Yun yung sampayan sa bahay namin, Teacher Jaja.
Sa third floor. Sampayan nila, ha? Iangat niyo.
Wait lang po.
Okay.
Okay po, sige.
Extra challenge.
Ganito na lang, 4 counts each. Okay, ready? Ako
Teacher
muna.
na teacher.
Oo nga eh.
Let's count.
Are we
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tinapon yung sampay.
Extra effort kasi talaga dito.
Sobrang taas naman ako niya.
Ang galing niyo,
Grabe naman yung moves niya. Para simple pag ganun lang. May
Sabi ni Teacher Janelle,
Ang galing.
that's easy lang daw. Everyday daw ginagawa niya.
Ano yung ginagawa?
Normal routine.
ang ipapa-challenge ko yung dun sa sampayan, itataas ko na talaga yung sampayan.
Ang galing, no? Talagang countings lang. Gusto niyo naman may music?
Sige pa.
Pwede naman may music. Okay, so, Christian, let's do it with music this time, please.
Christian,
Yes. Is he here?
music.
Kung okay lang po.
5, 6, 7, go. 10.
Ay, wala na. Ganda ng music. Wow! Okay,
Wala isa.
super happy na kami doon.
Kaya kami magkakapela ng tugs-tugs.
Okay, no, yan. Next, randomizer.
Select!
Ay, maganda ito.
Washing machine dance move.
Pero
Ano
ito
daw
ang
ang
twist.
genre?
Anong
Genre?
Teacher Jaja. Ano kaya ayan?
natin yan?
Tatapusin to! Teacher Jaja, susulitin namin kayo. Ano yan? Ang nabunot ay...
Share po namin, sorry.
Ang nabunot ay... Jazz.
We're not...
Kaya mo yung teacher
Play
learning.
music.
Alam po namin to, pero kasi ito po talaga yung nagtuturo nito eh.
Ah!
Ito po talaga yung nagtuturo nito eh. Ito po kasi...
Let's go!
Kanina ka pa as a spokesperson eh.
As a spokesperson siya, so papagalawin natin siya.
Ngayon, as a
Kailangan na sa dancer ka
Teacher
naman.
Micah.
Ang galing.
Your mic.
Let's go floor to Teacher Micah.
Solo.
Nag-washing machine, Teacher Micah.
Washing machine.
Kasi nagano talaga.
Wow!
Nagkukusot talaga.
Kusot. Ready? Okay. 5,
Okay.
6, 7, and 2, ta, 2, 2, ta, 2, ta. Let's go, let's go. Ganda ng music natin siya. Ganda yan.
Kinamay lang tayo ni Teacher
Kinamay.
Micah.
Ganun.
Galing.
Gamay lang.
Diba?
Galing.
Pag tayo gumagawa nito, masyadong literal, no? Tsaka walang style-style.
Hindi ko alam kung anong ikot yung gagawin natin.
Naalala niyo ba, lagi kasi ito napupunta sa akin, yung gumugulong ako
Ay,
dito.
sige nga, pakita mo.
Dali na, dali na ng style. Okay, 5, 4, 7, 8.
Hindi ako pwede gumulong, guys. Lagi ganyan, remember? Ayan, nakakahilo.
Giving washing machine.
Anong genre yun? Yung sinayaw ni
I
Amiga.
feel like it's contemporary. With so much feeling and
diba?
wide range of
Na-legitimize din yung
Pero pa
dance
rin yan, minsan
mo.
nawawala yung mga buhok. Napupunta
Okay.
sa kabilang studio.
Okay, last sesh with the randomizer.
Last
Select.
Last na!
Let's go.
Oh, no, nakakabitin.
Pusang pinaliguan, dance move! Kayo ba nakita na ng mga pusang pinaliguan?
Sino po gumawa nito actually?
Si Teacher Pia.
Saan ko kayo nakakita ng pusang naliligo ng sumasayaw? I think ngayon pa lang po.
At ang genre ay...
Anong genre?
Anong genre?
Sinabi mo pa.
Contemporary.
Nasakto.
Done na ako, guys, I think ayun yung jazz
Dito na po tayo papunta. Kay Miss Pia.
Alam mo na ibig sabihin ng contemporary? Ano ba yun?
Temporary lang yung alam. Temporary dancer.
Okay. Bigyan natin sila ilang
Wait,
segundo.
Kami po ang pusa dito. No?
Ha? Ikaw yung pusa?
kayo ang pusa.
Okay. Merong magpapaligo at merong pinapaliguan.
So, ito po.
Sige,
Asset
depende
po to,
sa inyo. Oo.
Ito po yung pusa.
Okay.
Sige.
Ang ganda ng pusa.
Ganda ng
Ang
pusa.
ganda ng pusa niyo.
Imported.
Oh,
Imported yung pusa. Orange tabby.
Orange.
Okay.
Ang audience, go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Whoa.
Grabe naman kayo magpaligo.
Ang ganda naman.
Oh, diba? At chill na chill yung pusa.
Ganun po.
In fairness sa pusa, ngayon lang ako nakita na kalmadong pusa.
Parang nag-enjoy.
Parang sabi na, ay,
Ang bait.
Ang bait ng pusa.
Orange. Garfield.
Wow. So much fun.
Yes! Guys, thank you so much. At dahil nandito na rin lang kayo, matagal na namin pinoproblema to eh. Baka naman, pwede na namin isang guni sa inyo yung problema namin. Kasi lagi kami nagti-TikTok. Nagpo-post ng TikTok. Tapos baka mabigyan nyo kami ng ilang pieces of advice. Since you say naman that you know, anybody can dance. So, pwede pakidiagnose, tapos bigyan na rin kami ng diagnose.
kailangan na kailangan namin yan.
Okay.
Okay,
Eto
so
na.
let's watch it. Up.
Boogie.
Okay, ano masasabi niyo sa kay Emma?
Kayo po to?
Oo, kayo po.
Kami yan.
Go ahead, don't be shy.
Nag-argue pa yan.
Sobrang reverse.
Ulit daw.
One more time.
Ayan.
One more
Ayan.
time.
I-analyze ng G-Force yung aming dance moves. What are we doing
Meron na akong
wrong?
nadadiagnose.
Contemporary.
Meron na akong nadiagnose.
Ano bang problema
Ito na ang prescription.
Ano po yan, doktora?
Parang hindi kayo sabay-sabay nag-rehearse. Yes. Or, iba, kanya-kanya ang counting na naaral. Or, hindi pa kayo nag-enroll sa G-Force.
Ayun! Yun na nga!
I think that is the one.
Hilaw na hilaw talaga.
Ang galing.
Kaya magti-TikTok tayo.
Meron pa isa. Meron pa daw isang hinanda.
Marami na kasi kami
Okay.
ina-upload pero lakas ng loob lang yung meron kami.
Okay, direct.
Patingin.
Can we see it? Kasama pa namin si Brooklyn. Si Brooklyn ang teacher, Brooklyn.
Yes, perfect.
Siya perfect. Up.
Diba? Other side.
Wrong
Oo,
direction.
other side.
Right or left.
Oo.
Ay, nagagalit na si Brookie.
Blocking, guys, blocking.
Kung makita niyo lang
Blocking.
reaction ni Brookie, hindi na siya ngumiti nung huli.
Hindi na siya masaya.
By take 14, wala na siyang smile.
Kita niya yung tayo pa lang ni Brookie.
Oo.
Tayo pa lang.
Teacher Micah.
Presence na.
Correct.
Nasa harap pa.
Alam niyo po kung bakit.
Bakit?
Naka-enroll na siya sa
Ayun!
Ayun naman pala.
Talaga eh!
Wala po, Miss Free.
Tama!
Nakuha ko na po yung reseta. Mag-enroll ko sa G-Force.
That is the diagnosis. Thank you po.
Once again, please invite our kadas na mag-enroll na sa GeForce Project. They have 4 different GeForce Project shows to choose from.
Yes, so again, 4 branches. GeForce Project 2025, the biggest and the grandest summer dance workshop here in the Philippines. This is going to be May, June, and July. All of our schedules are available on our website, geforcedancecenter.com, and you can also contact us at 0917-8GeForce. So again, all of the branches, QC, Alabang, BGC, Shangri-La, and of course, our dance concert is going to be at the SM MOA Arena for the first 2 batches on June 11. And for July 20th, our concert is going to be at the theater at Soler. So dance with us. This is going to be a Humbam summer, a Humbam workshop. And we're excited to dance with all of you! Kayo din!
Pwede ba natin ma-play yung music para naman meron tayong video kasama natin ang dance. G-Force. Kaya ba yon? Yung ganito lang, oh.
Ano yan?
Boogie.
Boogie ba yun? Yung unang music?
Naku!
Ayan! Yan!
Ano ba yun? Follow na Teacher Micah. Alright! Thank you
Dapat ganun lang, no?
Nag-ubay yung mga katawan natin. Si Teacher Micah na yung tuturo.
Dapat yun lang pala yung moves natin. So, lahat ng kanta, eto lang yung moves natin.
Maganda tayo dyan.
Timing.
Mga kada, palakpakan po natin ang G-Force! Maraming salamat!
Thank you.
At mag-sign up na po kayo para sa G-Force Project. Maraming salamat ulit, Teacher Jaja, Teacher Janelle, Teacher Micah, Teacher Sadie, and Teacher Laurelane for gracing us with your talents and stories. Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyamago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye.